A senior official of the African Union Commission has hailed the comprehensive Africa-China partnership across a range of areas, especially fruitful cooperation in healthcare, in a recent interview with Xinhua.
Thank you to the government of China for this excellent cooperation. Thank you to all those who were working behind the scene, who was working on building a better and stronger relationship between China and Africa, between the government of China and the African Union Commission.
She underscored that this year's ministerial conference of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation comes days after the AU Commission marked the structural completion of the China-aided future headquarters of the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The project is an essential part of the healthcare initiative adopted at the FOCAC Beijing Summit in September 2018.
We appreciate very much this commitment, this collaboration, the honoring of the commitment from China to the African Union Commission, and the support we are getting in the area of health, especially to our Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention.